Exciting news! Now you can effortlessly turn your text into stunning 3D animated videos with morar.ai. As an early beta user, I'm thrilled to share this game-changing technology with you. Imagine the possibilities. From charming anime to futuristic cuteness, classic Japanese ink art to nostalgic pixelation, morar.ai offers a world of styles at your fingertips. Join me in exploring the future of storytelling. It's as simple as typing your ideas and watching them come to life. Let's embark on this creative journey together. To get started, visit morar.ai by following the link provided in the video description. Once on the homepage, enter your email address and click on Join Early Access Beta. Allow a few days for your account to be activated. Once activated, log in and agree to the terms of usage. I've noticed that morar.ai has a very straightforward dashboard compared to other AI tools. The first section provides a simple guide on how to generate a video using morar.ai. Next, in the video section, we need to enter prompts and audio and select a time. So, let's start by generating a video prompt from ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and generate some prompts like, write 10 video prompts about dinosaurs. Now, copy the first scene prompt and go back to morar.ai. Paste the prompt and set the time duration. Currently, morar.ai supports a duration of 5 seconds. Set the style according to your preference, for example, if you want to create a 3D animation. Next, type or paste the audio script. Morar.ai provides many professional voices, both male and female. After that, select the desired voice. Finally, click on the Generate button and wait for the rendering process to complete. Our first video is ready now. You can play or download it.
Exploring the Lost World.
Let's create another video. Copy the second prompt, paste it, and generate it. And this time, let's use the anime style so you can see how this tool generates videos in different styles. Here are the results in anime style. However, it's worth noting that this tool is still in the beta phase. Nonetheless, it's generating impressive results. This tool also has another cool feature called sequence video generation. You can easily generate a sequence video with just one click. It streamlines the process and enhances efficiency, making video creation even more accessible. Just select that video and click on Generate a new scene. Thank you for exploring morar.ai with me today. Despite being in beta, it's showcasing promising results. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and future releases.